Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. There is a saying or a rumor that artificial intelligence may take over all the programming jobs in the world. I do not believe it to 100% true, and similarly, I do not believe it like it is 100% false. But this technology by GitHub and Microsoft called GitHub Copilot will make you think so. If you don't know what actually artificial intelligence is all about making computers and softwares think like how humans think. So you are just giving your intelligence to the computers and let computers take their own decisions. So whether it might be a computer or a software. So it is what artificial intelligence in general is. So what actually is this GitHub Copilot? Let's have a look into this. GitHub Copilot is an open source artificial intelligence tool by OpenAI. So what actually it do? So if you can see here, so it is a kind of plugin. So if we can install it in Visual Studio Code, which is a editor by Microsoft. If you can see here, if we write a normal text commands, it searches for the particular code in GitHub and Stack Overflow, whether is there any, matching snippet that matches your command or not. So it can, if you can replay this, you can see. So here, like people are writing like determine whether sentiment of text is positive or not using a web service. Then ultimately this GitHub Copilot will act as a paid programmer and fetches the code that matches your demand. It searches, all over the GitHub and Stack Overflow to get you that particular snippet. It is how GitHub Copilot works. So it is not yet live, but yeah, it's going to launch very soon. And you can see get suggestions for whole lines or entire function. You can get around entire function. Like there is also a saying like software programmers will only do copy and paste. Of course, copy and paste is not at all an easy thing because you need to know where to fetch that copied text or copied program, and you also need to know how to search. This is not at all an easy task. People from the external point of view who are nowhere related to programming, we can say this like it's just a copy paste job, but it is not a reality. But this is a real threat to the programmers, because if a software is doing all these things, then how, like, what is the need of programmers? It is something that we need to think of. So because its software is automatically fetching the code snippets, which is what we take like 1 to 2 days just to search for the internet whatever we need, and we will search for Stack Overflow on GitHub to find out the snippets that we need, and we do it. So it is how we actually do, but we know where to fetch it. That's the only difference between the software and the, I can say, human programmers. But this GitHub Copilot is doing the entire thing. If you can see how it's built, like you need to install a plugin called GitHub Copilot in your Visual Studio Code in order to make it run. And you write the commands using a simple text. You can see other example. Here you can see get average runtime of successful runs in seconds. You're just giving that command, and Copilot will ultimately fetches the code. It searches all over the GitHub and Stack Overflow and gives you the entire code. It is how it works. You can see you don't need a docs. They're also saying something like skip the docs and stop searching for examples. You don't need from now, because all you need to do is you just pass a command and GitHub Copilot will do it for you. And you can see you can find out many examples in the website copilot.github.com. And yeah, like from this we can say that like it is really a threat to all the programmers, but yeah, it is also a time-saving process for many of the programmers too. So the message that it is clearly giving is that you need to be good in logic building skills. You need to be good in, I can say, creative skills. Then only you can sustain in this programming world. If you just rely on copy and paste, and if you just rely on service-based projects, then ultimately there are chances that you may end up losing your job to artificial intelligence. So it's something that you need to take care of. So I hope this helps. So you can find out the entire documentation of GitHub Copilot in the website copilot.github.com. And it is also built on a stack called OpenAI, so which is also an AI tool. You can see how it works. So it takes your input in the form of a plain text, and it gives you suggestions, code suggestions, and you can later improvise this, whether you can calculate the efficiency, or you can suggest the efficiency, like whether it is something that matches your requirement or not. Based on your input, it takes the suggestion and improve itself. It works on a reinforcement learning. So, and yeah, it's completely open source. Anyone can contribute to GitHub Copilot service, and it is the advantage of it. And yeah, take your own decision from now on, like whether if you want to go to programming jobs, then you should be strong in data structures, algorithms, and logic building. Just just go and expect a programming job with just having a knowledge on a particular syntax of a programming language. It will not work from now on. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please like and share this in your network and let your programming friends know about this. Subscribe to the channel if you are a new visitor to my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.